be bhollisbrand. Today I'm showing you my finished loafer that I've made. This is the front, this is the side, and this is the back. What I've had to do is make my own heel because I bought this pre-made heel and it doesn't fit, as you can see. So what I did was took some vegetable tan and made my own heel. And also, the thing that I would do different for the next loafer is I will not probably have a seam on the sides. I will have the seam, one seam down the back of the heel. And I made a mistake on the front of the toe puff. I kind of cut or slit the leather here, so what I did, I had to improvise and make a little tab to cover that split. I don't know back in the day if you have ever seen loafers with this little tab in the front and the tab in the back. I don't know if I'm dating myself, but I have seen shoes made like that. So that's it, guys. I just want to come on and show you the finished loafers. So in the comments below, let me know what you think and maybe give me some tidbits on what I can do differently, or let me know if you like them. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned and see you on the next video.